How to fix lags when editing 4K videos. To begin, I added a 4K video to my timeline, and when I play it back, I get some lags. I want to use proxies to fix this problem. Right-click in your clip and project panel and select Proxy, Create Proxies. In the pop-up window, set Format to QuickTime and Preset to Pro Residential Low or Medium, or High. I select Pro Residential Medium here. Next, you can set the location of the preset. You can set it next to the original media, or you can set it to a folder you want. I use this folder and can click on Browse button to change it. Then click OK to create it. Now Adobe Media Encoder is opened and exporting the proxy. When it's done, go back to Premiere. Click on this plus button at the bottom of Program panel and drag Toggle Proxies button next to other buttons and click OK. Now make sure it is enabled. Now if I play back my video, it is without lag, and if I disable it, I can see the lags again. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.